Okay, so quick update. First, I am not a financial advisor. Should you choose to invest in Bitcoin or any other asset, do your own research or seek the advice of an actual financial advisor. Also, never invest any more money than you can afford to lose. The market has not changed since the last time the state of the market has not changed since the last time I put out a video. We are still in a short-term downtrend. Notice I said short-term, not long-term. Long-term, we are still in an uptrend, and it would take a lot to break that uptrend. But right now, we're in a short-term downtrend. And so we could see more downside. My opinion from my last video was that we could bottom out at the 50 exponential moving average, which would actually coincide with the peak of this last run up at $42,000, which would actually turn previous resistance into support. Now, the fear and greed index, yeah, when we dropped down to $29,000, $28,000, notice that the fear and greed index, we made it down to a 40 reading. Now, during the duration of this bull market, I expect us to spend most of the time in anywhere from greed to extreme greed, with brief periods of fear. And as you can see, that has been the case. Currently, we are at a 55. We're still in greedy territory, but closer to neutral now. But like the last time, I don't expect us to stay down here very long. But if we head down to the 50-day exponential moving average, or wick down to the 55 exponential moving average at 40,000, I could see us coming down to meet the same point that we hit the last time at 40. Why do I see us stopping at 40? Because if we zoom out here, there's actually a decent support that has formed on this chart here. You could see, let me move this damn tag out of the way. You can see that we've actually formed quite the support at roughly the 40 to 38 area on the fear and greed index chart. So that fear and greed index is just measuring the psychology, the sentiment in the market based on many different metrics. Of course, it's not recommended to use this as a standalone actionable signal. This is something more or less to help you make a determination in reference to other indicators or whatever else you're using. And so that's exactly what I'm doing. If we bottom out at the 50-day exponential moving average here and bounce here on this support, I would imagine us hitting this support down here and bouncing as well, shooting us right back up into greed and extreme greed for another fucking couple of weeks. Now, there's another thing that I want to point out, and that is the fact that there is another area to watch, and that is where we are currently sitting, which is at 55 to 56 area. We have a resistance here, and as you can see, we broke above it here, then we came back below it and broke above it here. We briefly fell down to it, but we zoom in here again. Let's go back to the 3-month. We ended up holding it as support here, and now we are having trouble falling below it. On a short-term time frame, on a shorter term time frame, let's zoom into the 4-hour here. I noticed that we do have a bit of a bullish divergence on between the RSI and the price action. Bullish divergence is when the price action makes lower lows while the oscillator makes higher lows. It shows the weakening. It shows the trend is weakening. You can see the volume is falling as this price is coming down. So the bears are losing grip on the market. So there's a potential that we could end up bottoming out where we are currently at. So we don't necessarily have to go down to the 50-day exponential moving average and then bounce. We could end up bouncing where we're at, but that remains to be seen. So whatever happens, if we bottom out here, or if we bottom out roughly at the 50-day exponential moving average, just know that this is not, there's no sign that the bull market itself is coming to an end. The bull market is still very, very healthy, and if anything, this is just another buying opportunity. So with that, that is all I have for you guys today. I will see you all next time.